He eats them whole.
Hey, I got this all on video, you guys. Look at it.
He needs to get down on the ground here and eat it.
Oh my god, look at it.
Oh, look, he's gonna swallow it.
You ready to swallow it?
Yep.
He's almost getting her.
Almost got it.
That's probably how that one got on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
So she's lost 2 of them.
At least.
She couldn't get those babies out.
Looks like there's
That's
only one
leftovers.
left.
Yeah,
That's
That's dinner tomorrow night.
she's she can't get that baby out.
No, they have no way to. I wouldn't think.
Now it's gonna get that other one. Over there is another nest.
Over here.
And then, yeah.
Like she can't pick it up or.
I wouldn't think so.
Well, I don't think it's dead yet. I think it's trying
No,
to kill it.
I mean, the other babies in there.
I don't think that it can get it all the way in its mouth because of the way it's hanging. Okay, I
Well, they're
can't
looking
keep
at us
watching
right
this.
now like,
Trying to eat.
Mom is like, do something.
I know. She's just watching her baby die. That's just not right, man. Nature sucks. It's horrible. It's freaking. Oh my god. There's one baby bird in there. My mother cannot get it out. I hate snakes.
Oh, there's 2 baby birds in
There's
there.
2. I see 2 from here. Yeah. There's like 4 or 5 in that one.
Poor babies.
Oh. It's like, they're like, hell.
What kind of snake is that? Everybody's
I
out.
think that's
It looks like a black snake.
No, it's
No,
not
it
black.
has
It's
color.
should be a.
I can't see that, but it,
They're like,
I have it on video, like the body.
what
Yeah,
color
like
is it?
shaded
on
red,
video?
yeah.
It looks like a
Let me
rattlesnake.
send you that.
green.
A
No,
rat.
it's not a rattlesnake.
I don't like snakes and stuff.
You actually got it pulling it out?
Yeah, I got the whole video. You
Oh,
want
it
it?
looks
I
like
can
no
send it.
black
Yeah.
It's not
Yeah,
black
it's
snake
not
either.
I can't see what it looks like.
It's kind of green and brown.
Green brown. Well, if it's brown, it's just old chicken snake.
He likes birds.
That's horrible. It's pulling the baby out.
No, I gotta laugh.
It's a small snake, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it's brown.
It might be a baby snake.
He's slowly but surely. Poor mama.
What kind of birds are these?
Finches, maybe?
Yeah, here, I can send it. Ugh. What's your...
I think that's a rattlesnake.
217.
Do you think it is too?
Yeah.
A what?
Too.
I think it's a
I think it
rattlesnake.
is a rattlesnake.
77.
It's because of the colors on the back of it. They're all
Alright,
spotted.
come if you get it.
Yeah, but there's
There's
hundreds of snakes out there. Look like
Yeah,
that.
I don't have any service, so...
And that ain't no rattlesnake.
It'll tell me if it goes through or not.
Rattlesnake will climb up
It's
there.
hard.
Yeah,
Yeah, it says it's across the thing.
He's
Probably
so far
one of
away,
those,
you
like,
can't see him.
birds up there.
I'm looking at him through this camera and it looks like it's got the markings. I don't know.
I've never in my life. That's like, you don't come across like that. Well, I don't want to, yeah, you're welcome. I don't want to go on any other Because,
It's like a little chicken snake.
It might be.
That's what it looks like.
About to get it over the wings. I think once he gets over those wings, just
that's like, you don't get to see that, like, ever. That's so horrible. Like, I feel so bad.
The mother birds are like, which one of me is next?
Them birds still alive. See his leg moving. He's been crushed to death. Yep, that's what he's doing right now.
Mama bird's gonna wear herself out, Lucy.
Oh, look at the little birds up there.
Hey, you wanna see a bird getting eaten by a snake?
No,
No, well, don't come in here then.
there is a snake in there?
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's
No
way up
way.
there.
It's
It
up,
won't
it's up
drop
there.
on me, will it?
No, I hope not. You see it eating that bird? It's gonna,
He's busy.
Oh my
there's the mama bird trying to,
Where's it at?
It's not gonna
It's
hurt
up
you.
here.
It's
You're
busy.
fine.
Yeah, it's in the middle of digestion.
Yeah, I can't quite, my camera's
Yeah.
not that good.
So,
Oh my word, that's too cool. Dennis, you gotta see this.
What's that?
Snakes eating.
snake's eating the birds out of that nest.
Oh, cool.
The baby bird, the mama
Like
bird.
the crowd before
Look,
you
and
was
she
like,
is
"Oh, Tara."
pissed. Cool. That mama
Wow.
bird, oh, and he's gonna get every one of them babies,
Yep.
I'll bet. I
Yep.
do not like snakes either, that's the worst. It's okay if you don't belch and drop him out of his mouth.
Oh, you already did that one. You're good.
did he? Oh,
That's
sure as
leftovers.
shit.
That's for later.
I'll bet he gets all of them baby birds.
There's more in there too.
There's
That's
two.
two.
They'll probably go in there and eat them too.
say, is he kinda probably upstairs?
No, he's on the top level. He's just burrowing through.
Huh.
He's just gonna probably eat all the birds and then leave the house.
Uh-huh.
Likely.
Uh-huh.
What kind of snake is it?
We're not sure.
Yeah.
Probably
Oh,
chicken
that
snake.
mama bird is just beyond herself.
There you go.
No.
Significant food. God, that's crazy. Which one of my knobs are gonna jump up there? Whack!
Swap it.
Fuck you.
What's the language?
There's nobody around.
Please.
I'm gonna go look for water.
Yeah, let's go find water. We'll take it one day, these days.
Here, you got the camera in your hands. I'm gonna leave this case right down here. I got a bunch of shit, man. Don't forget the case. What? Snake in there. What? Snake eat the baby over here. Snake eat the baby over here. That's right here. Save it. He's ever gonna eat. You got a snake eating that baby bird.
Where?
Right there.
Ew, that's disgusting. I'm getting there.
That was a bird. That bird's gonna attack. That's gross.